Hey there, I'm Kevin and I'm going to show you a quick tour of Common Room. So with Common Room, you can track every customer interaction in one place and then take action on the activity that matters. And in order to do that, we need to connect to the channels and sources where that activity is happening. So in this room, you can see that we're connected to many sources like our Discord server, our Slack community, our GitHub repo, our CRM, and other social channels. And adding more sources is super easy. We can simply click to connect, follow a few authentication steps, and then member activity will start to flow into Common Room, and all that without any engineering required. So let's head back over to our app view, and here we can see all of the members found across the various sources we've connected. And any given member's activity is magically unified into a single record, and that's all done using a little help of machine learning and AI. So we get a single view of the customer across any trackable channel. And when we click into any given member, we get context like what actions they took and when, where they work, and even details like their employment history. And also, since we've connected our CRM as a source, we can connect the dots on members who are customers and the go-to-market teams who manage those relationships. So it's pretty useful. And with all this context, we can start to apply some filters and take action. So for example, let's say we want to invite our members to an upcoming event. We can select what channel we want to reach them on and then start to apply some filters for, say, product usage, and then also some filters for role. So we want to reach active product users who are also in a marketing or product role. This will narrow down our results quite a bit. And then from here, we can start to either tag people or send them a message via Slack by just simply authenticating and then sending a message all within Common Room to come and join our upcoming events. Let me grab some copy for that and we'll preview and send. Now, while sending personalized bulk messages is powerful, it's still a pretty manual process. So let's add some automation to the mix. And for that, we can head over to our settings menu and configure a tag to track members who match our ideal customer persona. So when I look in here, we can see we've already added some titles that match our ideal customer persona, but maybe we want to add a little bit more filter here. So let's also include anyone who's at an organization size that is larger than 50 employees. I can simply add this filter. We'll get a preview of members who qualify, and then I'll click save. And then now anyone who matches this criteria will automatically be tagged with this ideal persona tag. And now we can use this tag we just modified to automate a typical workflow. So let's jump over to our workflows menu and we'll create a new workflow. And here we can see options for everything from building an onboarding sequence to verifying members. For this example, let's send a survey. We can select this workflow, click create, and we'll be placed into a canvas where we can design our survey. I want to add a filter here for the tag we just created or modified. So let's do that. And then since we're pulling in data from our CRM, we can also select to say we want to send this survey to anyone who is also a customer. From here, we can select to send this during working hours. I want to send this immediately, so I'll toggle that off. Then I'll authenticate with my Slack instance and then craft a message here, which I've already pre-built. 1 second. We can say, hey, and then do an @ mention, and then we'll send a note, and then we'll just design the rest of our survey. We want this to be a multiple select, and we'll do a product market fit survey question. So we'll throw in the answers here, and we'll say very disappointed, and then we'll do somewhat, and then also not. And then from here, we can just click save. And then this will bring us back to the canvas where we can say, whoever answered this question, like let's personalize the follow-up. We can add another survey question and continue this process. And when all looks good, we can save and our survey will be scheduled. So the last thing I wanted to show was how we can help our team work more efficiently. And for that, we can head over to our segments menu and start creating a segment for our team to triage and prioritize their work. So let's create a new segment. And for this segment, we'll want to track job changes for one of our reps. I can create this segment and then select to auto add or remove anyone who qualifies. Then we'll just set some criteria. So we can say anyone who has had an org change in the last 12 weeks And then because Common Room synced with our CRM, we can say that we want the owner of these accounts to be one of our reps. We'll select that rep. And then the final thing we'll want to do is just make sure they get notified when someone gets added or moved to the segment. We'll click save and we're off to the races. And just one last thing, but all of this activity and trends and impact is surfaced through our reporting features. And we can also apply those same powerful features like ideal customer persona to our reporting, run a query, and then see trends for the people who we really care about tracking. And so we're really just scratching the surface of what's possible here. Thanks for checking out Common Room, and we can't wait to see what you do with it.